we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for YouTube. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. You'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface where you can start a conversation. Now, let's say you want to generate a script for your YouTube video. You can begin by typing a prompt like create a YouTube script about the benefits of using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate a script based on your input. If you want to adjust the tone or style, you can add specific instructions like make it casual or add humor. After ChatGPT provides the initial script, read through it and make any necessary edits or refinements to match your personal voice or the specific needs of your channel. It's also a good idea to add any personal anecdotes or experiences to make the content more relatable to your audience. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for video topics or to help with brainstorming and planning your content calendar. Simply type a prompt like suggest video ideas about tech tutorials and let ChatGPT provide a list of potential topics. This can save you time and help keep your content fresh and engaging. Remember, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's important to add your unique perspective to the content it generates. This ensures that your videos remain authentic and true to your brand. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.